What's up guys, good morning from Malaysia. My name is Winner Singh and I hope you have a fantastic day. And today I'm going to eat Indian style pakoras with my Japanese friend Mokato. I don't know what's the exact name in Malaysia, but according to my opinion, these are pakoras. This street vendor is run by a family. They have a different varieties of pakoras, mixed vegetable pakoras, eggplant pakoras, sweet pakoras which consist of white and brown sugar. Most good thing about this shop is they make each and everything in front of us and very fresh. Another good thing about this shop is each and everything is made by the grandmother, and grandma food is always been a great. Look at this, she is making the pakoras and she has each and everything in the small bucket, and she makes the round ball with the hands and put it into the fried oil. We order the mixed vegetable pakora. It's round in shape. It's look like a cottage cheese pakora. It's ultra soft. Let's look at the inside of the pakora. It's so fluffy. There are some carrots, capsicum, coriander, spinach. Let's take the review from my Japanese friend Mokato.
Good. Yeah.
Well, now it's my turn. The flavor is keep on coming as you keep chewing the pakora because of these vegetables. Well, that was so tasty, I love it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the thumb button and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.